Welcome back to Decoding AI for You, the 5-minute deep dive. As a property manager, I'm constantly juggling responsibilities, from rent collection and maintenance scheduling to tenant communications and vendor management. If you're anything like me, you've probably wondered if there's a better way to handle all these tasks. That's where generative AI enters the picture. Initially, I was skeptical about how much AI could realistically streamline our processes. But after exploring it a bit more, I realized it has huge potential for our industry. Let's start with rent collection. Generative AI can automate reminders and notifications, personalizing them based on tenant history, significantly reducing late payments and administrative headaches. Maintenance scheduling and coordination is another area AI shines. Imagine effortlessly handling requests where AI sorts them by urgency, automatically scheduling and assigning tasks to the right contractors. It can even handle follow-ups and confirmations, saving hours of manual coordination. Managing vendors and contractors becomes simpler too. AI can vet vendors based on historical data, ensuring you always work with reliable professionals. Plus, AI-driven systems keep track of contracts and payments, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Routine property inspections and upkeep also benefit greatly. Generative AI helps schedule inspections, generates customized inspection reports, and identifies maintenance patterns to predict issues before they become costly repairs. But perhaps my favorite aspect is tenant communication. AI enables consistent, personalized interactions, responding quickly to common queries and freeing up my time for more strategic relationship management. To sum it up, generative AI offers incredible potential to streamline tenant screening, automate lease management, and enhance overall operational efficiency. It's about being proactive rather than reactive, backed by data-driven insights. So here's my challenge to you. Consider the parts of your rental operation consuming the most time and resources. Could AI help streamline these areas? Think about what new tenant experiences and efficiencies might become possible with this technology. If you're ready to take the next step, check out the resources in the description, which includes our deep dive report, provides a detailed analysis on generative AI within your industry. And as always, stay curious, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next episode of Decoding AI for You. Thanks for watching Decoding AI for You. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let's keep exploring the future of AI together. See you next time.